Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about Pinterest personal versus Pinterest business account. Let's get started. Like Instagram, you can create a personal account or a business account on Pinterest. If you're trying to find out which type of account is right for you, then you must first determine how you plan on using your account on Pinterest. First, let's talk about Pinterest personal accounts. With personal accounts, you can see that you can only add a profile photo, like in this example profile. Below the profile photo, you can view the number of followers and the number of Pinterest accounts, that is the personal accounts you follow. In this example, Martha Lopez has a personal account with 23,000 followers and she is following 655 Pinterest accounts. You can browse a personal profiles account and you will see the different boards they have created, the different pins, and if they have tried a pin. As you click on the board, you can see the photos here. There's also a shop tab where you can find similar photos that you can see inside the board and purchase them. In this example, it shows us different dresses that you can discover. With the More Ideas tab, Pinterest will show us more pins related to each pin saved inside the board, teal. In this section, it will show you more keyword ideas that you can click on that is also related to the pins inside this board. Pinterest will recommend you on what you can search for so that you can find the ideas you might love and you can see the top 5 keywords that you can explore here. Now let's talk about what makes business account different from the Pinterest personal account. Business accounts have a cover photo or a cover video. This makes your profile attractive to your followers. Compared to personal accounts, you can see that below their business name, you will see the number of monthly viewers instead of followers. Business accounts can display their business website. In this section, you can see the verified badge before the link. This gives the impression to their followers that their brand is legit. If you browse their profile, instead of seeing boards, pins, and tried tabs, you will see activity and community tabs. Business accounts also have the featured board section that you can see here, while personal accounts don't have this feature. Business accounts have Pinterest analytics. If you want to create brand awareness, drive more traffic to your website, then the analytics can help you track how much your metrics improve over time. Business accounts have the opportunity to label their pins with more context and a customer call to action button. These are called rich pins. It gives your photos extra information that is not available on regular pins. Rich pins show details like the price, availability, and where to buy the product. And for recipes, it includes detailed information about the recipes of the meal. Business accounts can promote their pins via ads. You can promote your pins and reach more target audience. You can target your audience based on keyword searches and based on demographics like gender, age, location, and income. And lastly, business accounts have the available feature of Buyable Pins. These pins allows brands to make it easier for their customers to purchase their products through the app. We do have a separate video for Buyable Pins. We'll talk about Buyable Pins in a deeper discussion on that lesson, so make sure to watch it. Also, a personal account has different terms of service compared to business accounts. Business account holders must agree to the terms of service for their accounts. There are features on Pinterest that are only available for business accounts. If you have a website, an e-commerce store, or a blog, then it's better to have a business account. The analytics can help you what pins related to your website get more traffic. Business accounts provides your brand with the tools that you will need to start marketing on the platform. Determine your goal and purpose when you create your Pinterest account, so you can decide whether to use a Pinterest personal or a business account. Now that you know about Pinterest personal versus business account, we can now proceed to the next topic, Pinterest versus Instagram. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.